KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw a princess and its frog. Step by step, let's start by drawing. First I am drawing its eyes and its nose and its lips and its cute face. Then I am drawing its hair. Then I am drawing its hair waves. Now it's time to draw its body. First I am drawing its hand and its sleeves. Then I am drawing its body shell. Then I am drawing its long hair. Other side. Let's draw its frock. It has a princess frock. Now I am drawing princess test waves.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's complete its frog. Now I am drawing a frog layer. I love to draw a princess frog and princess. Do you like to wear a princess dress? Let's draw the crown. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me. Brown color. I am coloring its hair. I love its glittery hair. Hope you will enjoy it. Oh, look at her hair. Skin color. I am coloring its face, its ear. Let's color the other side. Now I am coloring its ear and its neck and its arm. Let's color the second arm. Sea green color. Let's color its dress, its princess dress. I love its dress. Let's color the waves. First layer, then second layer, and third layer. I love layer frog. This is a princess frog. Fourth layer, fifth layer, sixth layer. It's time to color seventh layer, then eighth layer. Oh, I love to wear a princess dress. It's looking so nice. Let's color the ninth layer. It's time to color 10th layer and 11th layer. Then the last one, 12. Golden color. Let's color its crown, its hairband. Then I am coloring its sleeves, the other side. Let's color the waves. First layer. I am coloring the second layer.
Subscribe us for more videos.